The sound we're going to practice in this video is the sound R. Repeat after me. R. 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 R in red again, red. Ride again, ride. Read again, read. Road again, road. Rain again, rain. Run again, run. Ring again, ring. Reach again, reach. Rose again, rose. What other words have the initial sound ra? Ra in bring again, bring. Drive again, drive. Brave again, brave. Grass again, grass. Store again, store. Truck again, truck. Born again, born. More again, more. Corn again, corn. What other words have the sound in the middle sound ra? Ra in water again, water. Flower again, flower. Far again, far. Door again, door. Color again, color. Matter again, matter. Over again, over. Winter again, winter. Older again, older. What other words have the final sound ra? Now, let's practice the phrases with the sound. Ready? Read the riddles. Again, read the riddles. Ride a roller coaster. Again, ride a roller coaster. Jump a rope. Again, jump a rope. Runner ran so fast. Again, runner ran so fast. In the race. Again, in the race. Now, let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? My older brother cleans the dishes. Again, my older brother cleans the dishes. Dinner was over and we were reading. Again, dinner was over and we were reading. I got a free pass for the tour bus. Again, I got a free pass in the tour bus. My brave brother donned a fire truck. My brave brother drove a fire truck. My mother grew 2 kinds of grass in the yard again. My mother grew 2 kinds of grass in the yard again. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound ra. Repeat after me. Ra. 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 I hope you enjoyed our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.